radical equations we are going to study today is the form in which we have two radical sign and it is equals to mx plus n. We have let this term where mx plus n is a factor of ax square plus bx plus c minus px square plus qx plus r. It means these two values which are occurring under the radical sign, when we will subtract them, we will get a term which is a factor of these two subtractions. So let's take an example and see how we can solve such kind of equations. So this is example number 1. 5x square plus 7x plus 2 minus 4x square plus 7x plus 18, and this is equals to x minus 4, and these two terms have a radical sign. So first step we have to do is we have to let this first term and this second term equal to some variables. Like we have 5x square plus 7x plus 2, a radical sign, and we let this term is equals to a, some variable a. Then the value of a square will be 5x square plus 7x plus 2, because the square will be cancelled with the square root and we have a simple term. Next we will let this second term equal to some variable. The term we have is 4x square plus 7x plus 18, and we let it is equals to some variable b. Then the value of b square will be 4x square plus 7x plus 18. Since this term is a minus this term is b, and it is equals to x minus 4. So we can say that this is our equation number 1. Now this form of equation says that the subtraction of these two terms which are occurring under the radical sign, their subtraction give us a value which is a factor of their subtraction. So we will subtract these two values, which is a square and b square, is equals to the value of a square is 5x square plus 7x plus 2 minus the value of b square is 4x square plus 7x plus 18. Now we have to subtract them. So first we will open the brackets. 4x square minus plus is minus, minus plus is again minus. So 5 minus 4 is 1, x square, 7x minus 7x, it means 0, 2 minus 18 which means minus 16. So a square minus b square is equals to x square minus 16. Now as we know that this is we have a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So we can write a plus b into a minus b instead of this combined form, and this is equals to x square minus 16. X square minus 16 is the same formula. We can write it as x plus 4 and x minus 4, because x into x is x square, then we have minus 4x and plus 4x which will be cancelled out, and plus minus is minus, 4 times is 16. So we can write this form like this: a plus b. This is we have a minus b, which is actually equals to x minus 4, and now we will write x plus 4 and x minus 4. So these two terms being equal, it will be cancelled out, and we have a plus b is equals to x plus 4. Now we will add equation number 1 and equation number 2. Equation number 1 is a minus b plus a plus b. This is left hand side, and right hand side is x minus 4 plus x plus 4. So b and b will be cancelled out, and we have 2a. This is equals to 2x. Now 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, and a is equals to x. This a is equals to x. We have found the value of a because we have assigned our value, our variable, which is a. So now we will find the value of b. For this we will subtract equation number 1 and 2. So equation number 1 is a minus b minus a plus b. This is equals to x minus 4 minus x plus 4. So a minus b minus a, minus plus is minus. Similarly, minus x and minus plus is minus. So a and minus a will be cancelled out, and we have minus 2b. Similarly, x and minus x will be cancelled out, and we have minus 4, and minus 4 is minus 8. So minus and minus will be cancelled out. 2b is equals to 8. From here we have b is equals to 4. But this term is equals to a, and this term is equals to b. So the value of a is now x, and the value of b is now 4. So here now we will write x, and here we will write 4. Solve this term. For this we will square on both sides of equation, and we have 5x square plus 7x plus 2. This is equals to x square. Then 5x square minus x square plus 7x plus 2 is equals to 0. So 5 minus 1 is 4x square plus 7x plus 2 is equals to 0. From here a is 4, b is 7, and c is 2. We will apply quadratic formula, which is minus b plus minus b square, which means the square of 7 minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x is equals to minus 7 plus minus 49. 4 times is 16, and 16 2 times is 32 divided by 8. So x is equals to minus 7 plus minus 49 minus 32. This is 17 divided by 8. So this is the value of x. This term is equals to b. b is equals to 4. So we have put 4 instead of b. Now we will solve it, and for solving purpose we will square on both sides, and we have 4x square plus 7x plus 18 is equals to 16. The square of 4 is 16. 4x square plus 7x plus 18 minus 16 is equals to 0. And 4x square plus 7x 18 minus 16 is 2 equals to 0. A is equals to 4, B is equals to 7, and C is equals to 2. Applying quadratic formula. So x is equals to minus 7 plus minus 49 minus 4 times is 16 and 16 2 times is 32 divided by 2 4 times is 8. So x is equals to minus 7 plus minus under root 49 minus 32. This is equals to 17 over 8. Now this is our equation in which we are going to put the value of x and we will check whether this is a solution set or an extraneous root. 4 into x square. First we will check for the positive one. We have plus under root 7 over 8 square plus 7 into x plus 18. This is equals to 4. So 4. Now this is a plus b whole square. So a square will be 49 plus b square will be 17 minus 14 under root 17 and 8 square is 64. Plus minus minus 7 times is 49 plus is plus and 7 into under root 17 is 7 under root 17 divided by 8 plus 18 and this is equals to 4. Now 49 into 4 times is 196, 17 into 4 times is 68, plus minus is minus and 14 4 times is 56 under root 17 over 64 minus 49 plus 7 into under root 7 over 8 plus 18. This is equals to 4. Now we will take LCM, which will be 64. So these terms will be written as it is, minus 56 into under root 7 minus. Now 8 times is 64. So 849 times is 392 plus 8 times is 64. So 7 times is 56 plus here we have 1. So 164 times is 64. So 64 18 times is 1152. This is equals to 4. Sorry, this is 56 under root 17. So minus 56 under root 17 and positive 56 under root 17 will be cancelled out. 196 plus 68 minus 392 plus 1152. This is equals to 1024. You can simply calculate it on the calculator. Divided by 64. So 64 1 times is 64 and 64 16 times is 1024. So here we have under root 16 is equals to 4, which is equals to 4 and 4 is equals to 4. So our equation is satisfied. Now we can solve it for negative value. So for the negative value, the procedure is totally same. I have just replaced the positive sign with the negative sign. Rest of the procedure is same. You can take a screenshot of this part as well. So you can see 4 is equals to 4. It means the equation is satisfied. So our solution set will be minus 7 plus minus under root 17 over 8. Since we have only one solution and it satisfied our equation, so it means this is the solution set and we have no extraneous root for this question.